I connected AI with automation tools, and my business started running itself. Not completely, not perfectly, but enough that I woke up one morning to find emails sent, social media posts published, leads followed up, and a new client inquiry waiting, all while I was sleeping. No extra work from me, no manual effort. Just systems running quietly in the background doing what I used to spend hours doing every single day. Today I am showing you exactly how I did it. Simple, clear, no technical overwhelm. Anyone can set this up starting today. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. What is automation and why it changes everything? Most people think automation is complicated, something only developers and tech experts can set up, something that requires coding or expensive software. It is not. Not anymore. Automation simply means connecting two tools together so that when something happens in one, something automatically happens in the other. No manual work required. A simple example. Every time someone fills in your contact form, an email automatically gets sent to them welcoming them and telling them what to expect next. You did not write that email in that moment. The system did it for you automatically. That is automation. And with the right tools, it takes 15 minutes to set up and runs forever. The tool that makes this possible for beginners is called Zapier. Zapier connects over 6,000 different apps and tools together. When something happens in App A, Zapier automatically triggers something in App B. No coding, no technical knowledge. Just a simple setup through a clean visual interface. Combined with AI, Zapier becomes something extraordinary. Not just moving information between tools, but actually thinking, writing, and deciding automatically. The 4 automations that changed my business. I want to show you 4 specific automations I set up. Each one takes 15 to 30 minutes to build once. Each one saves me between 30 minutes and 2 hours every single week. Forever. Every time someone signs up for my email list, Zapier triggers Claude to write a personalized welcome email based on which lead magnet they downloaded. Automation 1. The welcome email. Claude writes a different email for different sign-up sources. Zapier sends it automatically through MailChimp. Before this automation, I was writing welcome emails manually or sending the same generic message to everyone. Now every new subscriber gets a genuinely personalized email within 30 seconds of signing up. While I sleep. While I work on something else. Every single time. Automation 2. The social media machine. One for LinkedIn. Every time I publish a new YouTube video, Zapier detects the new upload and triggers Claude to write 3 different social media posts about it. One for Twitter. One for Facebook. All written in the right tone for each platform. All automatically scheduled through Buffer. I publish one video. 6 pieces of content appear across 3 platforms. Automatically. Every single time. Automation 3. The lead follow-up system. Every time someone fills in my contact form expressing interest in working together, Zapier sends their details to Claude, which writes a personalized follow-up email based on what they said in the form. The email goes out within 5 minutes of their inquiry landing. Most businesses take hours or even days to follow up with leads. Mine follows up in 5 minutes. Automatically. While I am doing other things. This alone has converted inquiries into clients faster than any manual follow-up I ever sent. Automation 4. The weekly report. Every Monday morning, Zapier automatically pulls my key metrics from YouTube Studio, MailChimp, and Gumroad. It sends all of that data to Claude, which writes a clean 1-page weekly performance summary. That summary arrives in my inbox every Monday at 8 AM without me lifting a finger. What used to take 45 minutes of manual data gathering and report writing now takes 0 minutes of my time. Every single week. How to set this up? The beginner version, you do not need any technical experience to build these automations. Here is the simple process. Step 1. Sign up for Zapier. The free plan allows you to build several basic automations at no cost. Go to Zapier.com and create a free account. Step 2. Sign up for Claude. You will use Claude as the AI brain inside your automations. It writes the emails, posts, and reports that Zapier delivers automatically. Step 3. Open Zapier and click Create Zap. A zap is simply an automation. You choose your trigger, the thing that starts the automation. Then you choose your action, what happens automatically as a result. Step 4. Connect Claude to Zapier. Zapier has a direct Claude integration. Once connected, any Zap can send information to Claude, ask it to write something, and use that output in the next step of the automation. Step 5. Test your first Zap before turning it on. Zapier lets you run a test with real data so you can see exactly what will happen before it goes live. Start with the welcome email automation. It is the simplest to build and the most immediately valuable. Once that is running successfully, add the social media machine. Then the lead follow-up. Then the weekly report. Build one automation per week. In 4 weeks you will have a system that runs your most repetitive business tasks completely automatically. Your action plan starting today. Sign up for Zapier free today. Sign up for Claude free today. Choose your first automation. The welcome email is the best starting point. Follow Zapier's simple visual setup. Connect Claude as your AI writer inside the automation. Test it. Turn it on. Your business will start running itself in areas you used to handle manually. That time goes back to you. To use on growth, on strategy, on living. Which of these 4 automations would save you the most time? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this made automation feel finally possible for you, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.